Hey everyone, today I am gonna talk about our board game called... This video is sponsored by Hytrade, which is a group project, board game project created by my friends and I, James, the Vietnamese boy, Kieran, the Singapore boy, and Ling Jie, the China girl. And I'm the Malaysian boy. Quite an international group, I guess. All four of us in this team has illustrated our character. I did the soldier, which is the cyborg looking, not really cyborg, just robot looking machine thing. And then you got the archer by Kieran. And then Rich, and you got Ling Jie doing the mercenary. I think it's called mercenary, and tank by James. I'm in charge of the editorial, and James and Kieran is mostly in charge of the layout of the game. Ling Jie did the map, and Kieran did the infographic logo stuff, and how the brochure should look like, how the logo should look like is what Kieran did. And James James really contributed to how the game concept works, and yeah, he came up with an idea and we scrapped it before, so yeah, we tried a lot and we failed a lot. And there's a lot of playtests also, about 8 hours in total. And also for my part, I'm not just the editorial, I'm also the strategy marketing. As you can see, I cut, paste and assembly, the pawns, the currency cards, trading cards, stick the pawns. Everything took about 10.5 hours for the components in the box, while the box took me about 5 hours, so around 15 hours of work. I did the physical stuff, while my teammates did the brainstorming stuff. Brainstorming, alright? Yeah, and yeah, the documents, I think we handle it quite nicely. We Discord together, we managed the whole group managed to do work fairly well together, and we meet up for printing and all this. Alright, let's get to the game. So out of the box with the sleeves off already, you get the currency and the trading cards over here. These are all the currency. Yes, and the dice over there. Yeah, these are all the currency, water currency for the game. And the trading card, and this one is, what do you call that? Treasure and trap cards. And you see the pawns all over here, and you get the map over here. Yeah, over here you can take it out easily. So yeah, this is basically the layout of the map, the board games box setup. And yeah, there's hole over here, so it's easy to take out the whole box. And this one like that, and this one has also one. Yeah, so these are all the game components in the box. So how to play the board game, you ask? So everyone start off with a trader pawn. So you start, this is green, so you will start here, and you roll the dice. Oh, it's green also. So you roll the dice, 8. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you land on one of these question mark, you either get the treasure and trap card or the trading card. Yeah, so basically everyone start off with like 50 currency and handful amount of currency, and they can start hiring like archer, or maybe a tank, or maybe a mercenary, or maybe a soldier. So you use currency to hire them, and yeah, there's a limit to how much you can hire them also. Everything is in the game rules, and basically this game Movement is controlled by the dice. It's whether or not you are lucky to get a treasure card or you get a trap card. So basically the yellow cards is a mix of treasure and trap cards. And yeah, so basically you have to go to all the bases for every single player and head back to yours. And if you want to land on this, you have to make sure you land directly. So let's say if I get a 6 at this point, alright, I got a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to try my best to land directly to be counted as landing on one base. So you have to land on all the bases, collect the most amount of currency. Currency act as points at the end of the game, and pawns as well to attack each other. Everything is in the game rules, so yeah. What are you waiting now? This is a revolution in the board game industry. Get your copies today and start pre-ordering right now. One of the best board game created by local, not really local, international group of students. Yeah. So start buying our board game.